the Paramveer Chakra, there is a picture of Indra's Vajra. So now in this lecture we have learned two information about Indra's Vajra. So you open your English textbook and listen carefully. I will explain. Students, open your textbook, page number 20, lesson number 1.7, Paramveer Chakra, our heroes. So student, in previous lecture, we see medal information, means Paramveer Chakra's information. So now, in this lecture, we see Indra's Vajra. So see here, Indra's Vajra or thunderbolt is supposed to be a matchless weapon, but what makes the weapon invincible is the supreme sacrifice of the sage Dadhichi. So student, Indra's Vajra or thunderbolt. Thunderbolt means a flash of lightning with a clap of thunder that strike at something. It is called thunderbolt. Then it is supposed to be a matchless weapon. Matchless means it is very good. It means the Indra's Vajra is so good that nothing can be compared with Indra's Vajra. It is very good weapon. Then, but what makes the weapon invincible? Invincible means too strong or powerful. Invincible means too strong or very powerful to be defeated. Means Indra's Vajra is very powerful weapon and it is also very matchless. Means it is very good. Means nothing compared to be it. Then is the supreme sacrifice of the sage Dadhichi. So student, Dadhichi is very famous, very great sage of our Indian culture, and they give their sacrifice, supreme sacrifice. So what is meaning of supreme? So supreme means highest or greatest possible, means they give their greatest sacrifice for the Indra's Vajra. So now we see how it is made. According to legend, thousands of years ago, a demon had stolen all the water in the world. Innocent people were suffering and dying without water. This demon could not be defeated by any ordinary weapon made of ordinary material like wood, metal, etc. Something extraordinary was required. So, it was learned that the sage Dadhichi had bones of such extraordinary power. But how could one ask for the bones of a living man? Then sage Dadhichi was a noble person. He himself laid down his life and gave his own bones to help the people. Indra's Vajra, Indra's weapon of thunderbolts, was fashioned from these bones and the demon was defeated. Then student, according to our legend, means according to old stories, thousands of years ago, a demon had stolen all the water in the world, and the demon means it is called evil means evil spirit. So all evil spirit had stolen all the water in the world, and innocent people were suffering and dying without water. Then this demon could not be defeated by any ordinary weapon. Then means which weapon are made of wood, metal. So this demon could not be defeated like this weapon. Then something extraordinary means something special was required to defeated of demon. Then it was learned the sage Dadhichi had bones of such special power, such grateful power. But how could one ask for the bones of living man? Then sage Dadhichi was very noble, very great person, and he himself give their life to, means they give their own bones to help the people, which people dying without water. And then Indra's Vajra is made of Dadhichi's Sage Dadichi's bones. An Indraj of thunderbolts was fashioned from these bones, and then the demon was defeated. Then, just as the Indraj Vajra derived power from Sage Dadichi's bones, the Indian military derives its strength and power from the sacrifice of the bravest of the brave, the Paramveer Chakra holders. So student, in previous lecture we had seen on the front side of medal, Paramveer Chakra's medal, the picture of four side Indraj Vajra. So just like the Indraj Vajra derived means get something power of Sage Dadichi's bones. So like this, the Indian military derives its strength and power from the sacrifice of the bravest of the brave, means who had given the Paramveer Chakra. This is called the Paramveer Chakra holders. So all Indian military, our soldiers get power or get strength and power from the sacrifice of the bravest of the brave, means whose bravest soldiers give their sacrifice their lives for our nation, for our country. So they get power and strength which from the Paramveer Chakra holders. So student, you understand up to here? Then in next lecture we will see the name of Paramveer Chakra holders, means 21 bravest of the brave soldier, and we see some information about officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon. Okay student, you understand? Okay, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.